that, which is pretty good for a car like this. Yeah, so new tyres and be a little bit better in the rain because it tends to aquaplane as the tread wears down. So yeah, all good.
All good.
All good.
So yeah, that's where we're going, in the Bridgestone auto service.
Yeah, Bridgestone.
Auto service and repair, something like that. Johnny knows the owner of the shop.
Yeah, I used to go to him years ago down in Mirrowinning. Yeah. Dean Woods.
So, pupunta tayo sa syudad, guys. Off again to see the city.
And I've had the tyres for 2 years. I bought them new 2 years ago. Before I sold the bus business. And I just put them in stock. Because they had a really good deal going then. And you buy 4, you buy 3 and you get the 4th one for free. Because they're not a cheap tyre, these. So yeah, had them for 2 years and now it's time to fit them.
Yes, guys, it's been in the room for too long. It's like before, when Johnny bought it, we still have that old house, and then we brought it here.
Yeah, we did have them in Mirrowinning for a while.
Yeah.
And then we brought them up here to Mariba.
Yes. Oh, there's a bus. School bus. School bus.
No arguments with the bus. We're booked in for 10 o'clock. Might be a little bit of waiting. Marianne is going to film it.
Johnny will be the one.
You'll be helping me.
Johnny will be the one.
Because I'll have to do a couple of things with Dean.
Yeah. So we're off, guys. Off to Cairns. See you later.
See you there.
Guys, we're here now.
We'll sort it out with Dean.
In the shop.
You might be wanting me over there. So.
Okay. All good, Jenny?
I don't.
All good? All good?
Good. On the inside.
It's moving.
Air brakes on. You're not camera shy, are you? You're going on. You'll be on YouTube.
Hopefully you put it in fast forward, that way we look like we're doing it fast enough.
Dean said he was going to put some makeup on this morning for it.
Oh, that's why he got me to do the job. He hates the camera.
Oh really? That might be.
That's there it
He's
is.
run for cover. The rotor, and this is what wears on the inside. That's all the brakes. Yeah, all that stuff is what wears, which takes the dust. It comes back to the metal, but there's heaps there, heaps left.
Oh, when do you think you change?
Oh, I'm going to get over 100,000 out of them, probably. Yeah, should do.
So what's that called, Jenny?
Oh, it's just a. It's just a. They're electric. This is the battery here. Okay. So we got you on camera.
Okay.
We got you on your camera. I won't let Dean escape. And I'm pretty tired, eh?
Oh yeah.
Alright. You want to be on YouTube? Dean doesn't want. He didn't put his makeup on. He said,
No, that's right.
Yeah.
I better move back. That one there. We are coming on.
What's your first name?
Adam,
What sort of speed do they spin them up to, Adam?
on these machines,
Yeah.
honestly, I couldn't even tell you. I'm pretty sure they go around the 800 km an hour mark.
Okay.
That's a bit of a noticing balancing speed.
Yeah. So I spin it up to that speed, and then the computer tells them where the unbalance is and how much weight to put on. Yeah, it'll read out how much imbalance is on the wheel. Spinning up now, but then it stops, the brake stops it. It gives him a readout.
Yep.
He's putting weights on now. We're on weights. You want to see it done? You're sure? Okay. Good enough. And they re-spin it again to check the balance. So guys, this is Adam, our tyre fitter. Say good day, Adam.
There you go.
It's good.
The excess old stuff off, or just because it's got quite a bit already on there, don't want to wipe the excess off, or just put it
The other side.
That's with the style level they use.
What you looking, Johnny?
Just looking, no oil leak. Bucket borders are good, no leak.
All good?
Yeah, things all good. This is the drive shaft. That's a differential in there. This is what spins and drives the wheel. Yeah, that's the shaft coming out the differential. Transaxle. That bit of rust.
Rusted.
Yeah, but it's nothing. This is the rotor with the pads push on. The rotor.
The last wheel, guys. The last wheel. Last wheel and testament.
Cut it.
Lagay na ang huling tires, guys. The last one. It's done.
Yeah, I'm just going to retighten the wheel nuts. We'll lower it down and retighten, and we'll put the cover back on when we're done.
Okay.
What Marianne says.
Huh?
Thank God.
I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
Hey.
Marianne's always hungry.
Hey, you're so good. What's 132?
That's the torque. Tightening of it. He's torquing them to 132 Newton meters. Hear it click?
Yeah.
When that clicks, it means it's got to 132.
Good. Hi guys, finally nahuman na. Gutom na kay kong bitok. Asa pala ito si Juan. Isulod pa hato guys. Hi. Kapoy kong hinulat. Hulat pa kong Juan guys. Sulod pa asa na ito. Tapahad to. Yaw-yaw. Yaw-yaw pa more. Nina akong tinindog guys. Oras kapit ko tinindog hinulat. Ginoo ko. Karon na humanan na. Gutom na kaay ko. finally we're heading somewhere to eat. Thank God it's done. Oh, shout out to Adam, the tire fitter.
Yeah, shout out to Adam. Great job.
Yeah, Johnny's happy.
Oh, it feels better on the road already. Not as jerky, the steering. Yeah.
Very good. Everything is good, Johnny boy.
Everything is good. New tyres, new wife, new life.
Yes.
The new wife's coming.
New wife is next.
New wife coming. Go with the tyres.
New wife is next, guys. So we're going to where?
We're going to hell. No, we're going to Cairns to get some KFC.
Oh, KFC. KFC ang lunch namin, guys.
Right on, quarter to 12.
Quarter to 12.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It took so long. The tire fitting. It wasn't easy, guys. It's a hard work. Oh, darling.
Bloody pie changes lane just as I come up. Such is life, Johnny.
So see you later, guys. See you, Johnny boy.
See you guys. See you at KFC.
I don't want to.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm back. Tapos na kaming kumain sa KFC. Johnny's happy.
Got it now, new tyres.
New tires, done eating KFC.
A big job. Difficult job for the tyre fitter. Not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy, Johnny. So, pauwi na kami, guys. We're going home now. And guys, when we were in KFC, the people are wearing masks. And only Johnny and I.
Oh, there's a couple of us.
There are?
Yeah.
Yeah, most of the
Mask?
Yeah, most of the people are wearing masks here in Cairns. We don't know.
Are they mad?
No, God.
We don't know. We haven't got them in Mariba. Well, I'm pretty sure people are not wearing them in Mariba.
I don't know. No, they don't.
Yeah.
Because they have lockdown in here last week. Last week? Is that last week or this week?
Last week.
Yeah, last week. Maybe they continue wearing masks since
The lockdown's
Since the
finished. They have to
lockdown.
wear the mask.
Yeah. Yes. Mask, Johnny. We have mask, but it's in the Navara.
Nothing in this one.
Nothing in this car. No. So we're going home. See you in Mariba, Johnny.
Hello everyone. See you in Mariba.
Yes, I will show you my new roses, guys. May bago silang flowers. See you there. Bye-bye.
See you guys. Well, I'm coming through.
Guys, bahay na kami. Look, John is cleaning up the windscreen now. Ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung bulaklak ng aking roses. Yung bagong bulaklak. Basta gani kadungog bulanggam, guys. Nana mi diri sa among bukid pagkasabaan na gud. Sabaan na gud ni langgama. Nalagyan ni papel hari, guys. Punito na to ni papel. What's this papel? May papel dito, guys. Why pistol? Buang nga, oy. Kuyawan ko. Guys, sa kuyawan ko, pag-ikap na ko, ano, magsawa man ang nakita na ako, guys, oh. Buang nga, aning papila. Kuratan man ta. So pakita na ko yung guys. Roses nga. Bagong bulak. Ito, muna ni bulak last time. Si Caperline, ni salingsing na pod. Here it is, guys. Oh, the new flower. Yan. Yan siya. Ang flower niya. Yan guys. Ang pangalan niya ay Blue River. Yan. Nice flower. Ganda guys. Taran. Yan yun. At mabango. Ito, may saling, may bago. Ito, may bulaklak na. Malapit na rin. At ito yung isa guys. Na bumulak. Ito, ang orange-orange. Nalaya na guys. Nalaya na. Yan. Okay. Tunok guys, dagan kay tunok. Yan, agay. Nasira yung tunok. At may bago po. May mubukad pa. So, yan. Yan and my roses. Balik na tayo sa loob guys. Pupunta na tayo sa loob. So guys, yun na yung video natin today. Sana nagustuhan nyo at thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong mga suporta lagi guys. And kung bago kayo dito, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And click the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong video namin ni Johnny. So, see you in our next video guys. Bye-bye. God bless.